Hi, this is Peter with Realty One Group and Arizona Real Estate News. I just wanted to give you an update here on the construction of the 202 Expressway. This is a site that is west of I-10 interchange, just south of Phoenix. This is where they're completing the 202 to wrap around back up, going west and then north and connecting with the I-10 around 51st Avenue in Phoenix. So the construction is going ahead. This is going to be a really a game changer here in this part of Phoenix. It's going to really open up the area here. This is where I'm at, is what we refer to as Ahwatukee, again south of Phoenix. And so construction's going along pretty good, and this is your recent update, so thanks for tuning in.